here we go. Remember, we do a little bit louder when it's ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, Jade, are you almost there? Boy, we really had all of our books everywhere. Okay, put it on the shelf and come on over. So, we were gone for quite a few days. And remember, we started last Saturday with September what? 1. So let's add that, our tally over here, the 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let's do this. Here we go. 2. What are those? Do these look the same?
No.
What do you notice? What are those? I'm gonna hold it a little closer.
Sticks?
They're popsicle sticks. Yeah, we've done those before, haven't we? We used those when we were counting people. So today, on this day was Sunday. That's still not today, but we'll keep going. So here we go. We're going to add, it was 9. What was the number on it?
2.
9, 2, 18. And how many are on there? 2. So we're going to draw 2 popsicle sticks. You go like that, and 2. Were there any groups of 10s?
No.
No. How many 1s were there? 2. We could go 1, 2. All right, we need an equation. Read. 2.
What a balloon is in the house? 9, plus 0 equals 2.
2 plus 0 equals 2. We have 2, and we add 0 more. How many do we have?
2.
All right, let's keep going. We're going to do the next one. It's here, Jade.
3.
What is that? Have you guys ever seen this before?
Yeah.
What's that called?
A 10 frame.
A 10 frame. Oh my goodness, look it. We talked about that on Friday, didn't we? That this was also a 10 frame. How many dots are on this 10 frame?
3.
Oh, so let's do this. Let's go 1, 2, 3, but look where it's at. It's on the bottom. So we're not going to fill the whole thing up on the top this time. We're actually going to put one right here.
Like the same.
It doesn't look the same? So should we write this up here? So we have to do dots. Oh my goodness.
It looks like a 7.
It looks like a 7? Oh, just the way it kind of might be backwards. 7. What's the date? 9. 3. 18. Oh, somebody was listening. Oh my goodness. I have to try to draw a 10 frame. Here we go. I'm going to draw. Let's see if that's right. Okay. I'm going to go divide it up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. We need one more. We're going to make it a little bit longer. Let's see here. Make sure I have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5. Okay, here we go. And we had 1, 2, 3. That was big, wasn't it? Okay, how many 10s were there? We didn't have all the 10s, did we? What about this? How many 1s? How many 1s? 3. I just remembered what I forgot to do. We forgot to put our popsicle sticks. So here's our 2 popsicle sticks. that were shown in that last one, just so we don't forget. Alrighty. So we have our popsicle sticks, our tallies, and what are these called? 10 frame. And looks like I need to draw this 10 frame right next to this one.
Why?
Because that's how the card looks, right? We want to make sure the card looks that way, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this one doesn't look exactly the same, does it? All right, let's turn to Deo. Does that look better?
Yeah.
Yeah, that matches now, that one. Okay, this is today. You ready?
4.
4. And what are they?
Tally mark.
They're tally marks. So we have to add on to our tallies, don't we?
4.
So how many do we have right here?
1.
Let's add on. 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's much easier to draw up top here. Here we go. What's the date? 9, 4/18. How many tally marks do I need to do?
4.
4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to think in your head, was there any 10s? No. Oh my goodness. Someday I hope there are. All right, how many 1s were there? 4. All right. Oh, we forgot our equation here. Let's do it. Ready? For the first one, 3. What's the equation going to be? Yes, Bethany. All right, we need our equation for this one now. Riley?
4 plus 0 equals 4.
What are you noticing about our equations?
They are all the same with the different numbers.
What do you mean by all the same with a different number?
Because the bottom one is 4, the second one is 3, that one's 2. Now it's 1.
Does it, and what about here? Is this the same or different?
Same.
They're all adding 0. Interesting. All right, let's go over here to our date. Now remember, our line leader, do you think you're ready to help me out with this? Come on up, Jade. Jade's gonna be our helper.
No, it's Aiden.
Oh, it's Aiden? Sorry, Aiden, come on up. Jade was another time. So Aiden, we're gonna write our date. You ready? So everybody, you tell him what number are we going to write. You're gonna write a big, right here. What number are we gonna write? Today's date, September. What number is September? Riley?
9.
9. Do you think you can write a big 9 right there for us? Ready? Nice job. What day is it today? Oh, Riley is sneaky. She knows something on the board helps her. I love it. Can you keep it first? Isaiah, can you what? Yes, go quick. Anybody else know? Riley's keeping it here because she knows it. Callan, do you know what day today is? What day?
4.
4. Can you write a big 4 there for us? Oh, and now, whisper to your neighbor what year it is. Whisper to your neighbor. Jane, did you whisper to your neighbor what day it is? Do you know what year it is? Easton, did you whisper to Atla what year it is? No, you need to wait. Okay. All right, I'm going to see Uriah. Do you know what year it is?
2008.
18. And this one we're going to go 18. Can you write that? 1 and an 8. All righty. So 1. He's doing a nice job for the first time ever having somebody up here doing it. Good job. Now, I'm going to take the pen and I'm going to do a little writing. You stay and wait. What do I write down here now? Yes, Erin? Huh?
The date.
The date.
I
And
said the date.
we're going to do the date in the longer version, right? So we're going to go. Here we go. Ready? September. Ready? and we shorten it. Now what do I put? Jade, are you listening? What do I put next? I'm going to help you out. It's the day. What's next?
4.
Somebody just said it. It's the 4th, and then we put a comma, and then what am I going to write, everybody? 2018. All right. Do you want to come put an X here? So Aiden's going to put an X for today. That's our X to X our day. How many days have we been here at school? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't have to count it.
4 days we've been at school. Aiden, can you turn around so you know what's going on? We're going to write the number 4. What does that number 4 start with? F. That's right. F. 4. Today is 4. Let's think of some equations that equal 4 or that the same as 4. Okay, so right now you're thinking of an equation that is equal to or the same as 4. Anybody have one? Thumb and, oh, yes, Ava.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. Yes. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Callan.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay. Yep, read. 4. Keep saying it so I can hear it. Plus. Minus. Oh, 4 minus. Is that going to equal 4?
No.
5.
Minus 1.
1 equals 4. We got a minus 1 in there. Good. Aiden, now can you write a number 4 down here for us?
I know that.
Nice big 4 right there. Yes.
And then to get to the end, he's going to write it.
Nice job. Wow, nice job, guys. Okay, we're moving over here. You're up next. So now, I should have, yes. He gets his spinner. He's going to spin it like this. Come over and spin and see how much he's going to collect. He's collecting some pennies and some nickels. So spin the spinner, and we're going to tell him what you spun. Did you see how I spun it? So you go like this. Okay, you spin it. What'd you get? How many?
1.
2, 3. He got 3 pennies. So he's going to get 3 pennies out of here. So open the Ziploc bag. They're not real pennies. They are fake pennies. And we're going to put them in here, but we want to be able to count them. And then he's going to put 3 real pennies, 3 paper pennies up here on our graph. So you got 3 pennies. All right, Aiden, put them up here. Count them as you put them in. Ready, everybody? 1, 2, 3. That equals. Now get 3 pennies out of here.
They're pretending pennies. I want real pennies.
All righty. Here's for your first penny. You got one out? All right. 1. Put the tape on it like that, and look what you're going to do. Can you reach right up here and put it on the pennies? Perfect. Good job. All right. Get another penny out. We're watching because we're collecting pennies and nickels all week. There's your tape. Put it right next to it. Yeah, we'll move it up there. Okay, and we get 1 more. All right. Yeah, that one we're reusing it. And put it right there. Good. So how many pennies do we have for this week so far? 3. And tomorrow? The next line leader will spin the spinner and we'll keep collecting. At the end of the week, we're going to count all of our pennies and nickels. How much is a penny worth?
1 cent.
1 cent. Penny, penny, copper. Have you ever heard that poem? I'll have to get the poem out for you guys. And we will read. Penny is worth 1 cent. How much is a nickel worth?
25 cents.
It's actually worth 5 cents. So we're going to be learning about nickels and pennies. Thank you, Aiden, for helping me today. We just had our line leader help us. Tomorrow, a line leader will do the same thing, and sometimes we'll add more things. Question? You can just stop.